Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome to Laravel 8 series for beginners. My name is Murad. In this video, we will do the installation and setup of Laravel. For setup, you will need XAMPP up and running on your machine and Composer installed on your system. So for that, let's get to the screen. For the XAMPP, you will download it from apachefront.org/download, and you can download it from here. Click on the download button, it will be downloaded and save. On my system, it is already installed, so I'm not going to install it again. And then you will need the composer, getcomposer.org. You can download it from here by clicking composer setup.exe. It will be downloaded here and you can install it just as a simple software. After installing the composer, you will open up the command prompt. For that, you will press Windows plus R and type cmd and hit enter. It will go to see users and my system name. You have to go to backward here in the C drive. In the C drive, you will go to the XAMPP folder where I have installed my XAMPP. So will I go to cd xampp and hit enter. In the XAMPP folder, you will go to htdocs folder. So I will cd htdocs and hit enter. In the htdocs folder, you will create the project. So you in the XAMPP, you always create the project in the htdocs folder. Before creating the project, I will verify that Composer is successfully installed. I will write on Composer and hit enter. And you can see this Composer is successfully installed. Here I will write down the command to create the project. For that, I will write Composer create dash project Laravel / Laravel and the name of the project by which you want to create the project. So I will say here my first project and hit enter button. So here Laravel automatically will create the project. It will download all the dependencies via this composer we have downloaded and installed, and it will create the project. So the project is installed. I will go to the project folder by writing cd my first project. Hit enter. So I am within the project. Here I will do the command php artisan serve to run the project. So Laravel has started the project on this URL. I will open up this URL. So this is the first look of the Laravel after installation. So let's get through the directory structure of the Laravel. For that, I will close this and I will open up this project in the code editor. I have installed VS Studio, so you can use of your own choice. I will write on code dot to open up this project in the VS Code. So this is the basic directory structure of the Laravel. In the app, HTTP and controllers, you will have all the controllers. And here the all model will go and view will go in the resources and in the views. So this is the basic model view controller setup of the Laravel. One more thing you have to need to see is the routes. In the web.php, you will have write all the routes for your website you will make, and you will do all the configuration setup dot in the .env file. You will have set up the database and mail configuration, and there are a lot of more things we will discuss when we will go to advanced series. So this was the installation of the Laravel project. We have successfully installed the Laravel project. That's all for now. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.